Marvy's Polythene Manufacturing Enterprise is a nylon production company whose services involve production of quality polythenes, otherwise called nylon, like your Santana nylon, your black with hand, your handless black, both big and small, laundry nylon, supermarket nylon, otherwise called pharmacy nylon, and what have you, to mention but a few. We conduct training both online and offline. We conduct special trainings, home trainings, vocational training, and also online training as well. So in case you are in a distance far away from Port Harcourt, outside Nigeria, within Nigeria, and you would love to be trained to get all the nitty-gritties, the knowledge, both the practical knowledge and the theoretical knowledge you need, depending on which of the nylon you want to learn about, all the details will be taught, be it online or offline. Distance isn't a barrier at all. Alright? So to undergo this training, contact me through my WhatsApp business line. The phone number to call or chat is 070 37 47 5143. The phone number to chat, please chat only, 070 37 47 5143. For those of you chatting, especially in the mornings, messages are attended to in the evenings. Please take note of that. But if you send a message online on WhatsApp and I'm not available and you need my attention urgently, please place a call directly, alright, to call my attention to it, or we can book a time so we could talk. I love you. Thank you for your understanding. So the number to chat is 070 37 47 5143. Then the call number is 081 27 933 250. 081 27 933 250. See you at the other side. The online training we hold is personal online training, okay? We have a general group platform where you will be added. Training doesn't hold in the group platform. The essence of the group chat is for ease of information dissemination as regards orders for those that have placed order from different states, updates on trainings, and any other important information that need to be passed. Or whenever I want to reach out to an individual and I'm finding it difficult locating their contacts, the group make it easier for me to locate you. And it also make it easier to locate you during your scheduled training time for those undergoing online training. Right? To be an honor to have you in Marvy's polythene training, be it online or offline. Contact us for the order of your nylon machines like the Santana automated machine, the bottom sealing machine, or the side sealing machine as well. Also supply punching machine, hydraulic punching machine. So it will be an honor to be your supplier, your trainer, your coach, depending on which area you want me to be of service to you. I want to especially thank each and every one of you watching me both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for the honor to serve. I trust God to do more. And I also want to say a very big thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much. I also want to give shout out to SGM Global Limited. Thank you so much. I'm honored.